Hey, this is Sonia the RV DJ again with another review video. Today we're reviewing the Loolin X26 drone. This was sent to me by the same company that sent us the U61 drone that I reviewed once before. This one does have crash guards on it so you don't damage the propellers. And in the box, this is what the drone looks like. It does not have a camera on it. The battery goes in the bottom. This is the transmitter. And then we have the user manual. And then it does come with 2 extra batteries, so you get 3 batteries in total. You get 2 USB chargers. You get an extra set of propellers. And this is what the bag of stuff looks like. These are your USB battery chargers. They give you 2 of them. They give you a screwdriver. And they give you 2 extra battery packs. So we did calibrate the drone, and how you calibrate it is you turn your transmitter on so the red light flashes. You turn the power to the drone on, which is on the top. The lights are going to flash. You have 2 green lights and 2 red lights. And first you have to make the transmitter see the drone, so you gotta push the sticks up. It'll beep. Back, it'll beep again. The lights will go steady. And then we're going to calibrate the drone by pushing the 2 joysticks to the bottom right corner, which we already did, so it may not do it again. Yeah, it's not going to do it again. Anyway, when you press the joysticks to the bottom right corner, the lights will flash for a quick second, and then they will go steady again. So this drone does have a bunch of, you can do 360 stunts with it. It also has collision avoidance. It has low speed, high speed. You can adjust the trim for going left and right. And the batteries take about 90 minutes to charge. You get a 10-minute fly time out of them. And you can hold. So we're going to check this out and see how it flies. So the only thing I have to say about this drone is that the book does not tell you whether the green lights mean that the drone is facing forward to go forward, or if the red lights mean that you're facing forward. I checked it out a couple of times. I thought I had it right, but then when I would press right, it would go left. When I press left, it would go right. Same thing with forwards and backwards. The only thing that I would say is that they should add to this drone is to let you know which way is the front of the drone. Other than that, it was fun to fly. It was a lot easier to control. This says it's approved for ages 14 and older. And it is a pressure fixed position hovering drone. So it's made to just hover in one place. And that's really the only issue that I have with it, is the fact that it doesn't tell you which way is front of the drone. Like, if it had a camera on it, you would obviously know which way was front. So, but anyway, cute little drone. Had fun playing with it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.